Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last session we have seen search. With the help of search input box we are able to filter the food items. So let's try one more time. I'm just giving hamburger, ham and clicking on enter. So we are able to get the food items. So now in this session we will be doing tags. So first of all we will have to get the list of tags from the database and display. So we are already having the tag endpoints. Let's see, this is the endpoint we have to hit. So which will give the list of tags along with the count. So let's do that one. So now let's go to the food service. So this is the food service what we were using. Get all tags. So here we can use get all tags. We need to call this one inside the component. Let's do that one. So first let's create tag model. Here we have created the food class. The same way we have to create the tag.ts. So which will be having name and count. Here we can see. So name and count we have to add to the tag model. Export class tag. Okay, now name will be string, count will be number. Okay, so we have to add the exclamation symbol as it is because of the latest TypeScript feature. Okay, now we have successfully created the tag class. Now go to the food service. What it will return? Observable of tags. So tag. So we have imported the tag. Okay, now tag.ts for class tag. Okay, now we have to return the tags. Return this dot underscore http dot get. We have to pass the type tag array, and what is the endpoint for this one? We have to go to the url.ts. See, if we create the tags by URL is this one. We'll use this one inside the service. So let's import tag URL. Okay, now we have to go to the tags component. So where it is there inside the partials tags component.html. So first of all, let's get all of the tags from the database. See, implement on init. Okay, ng on init, and inside this one we'll be getting the tags. This dot get tags. So this is the method we'll be calling on the on init method. Let's create this one and let's import food service. Import food service. Okay, inside the constructor we have to inject it. Constructor private underscore food service. Now let's take one variable tags, which is a type of tag. So let's add the exclamation mark. So here what we'll be doing, from the food service, get all tags. Subscribe tags. Now this dot tags equal to tags. Now just print these tags on the console. Let's see we are getting the data or not. Now let's go to the browser. Here you can see, open the console. See here we are getting the tags, right? All, fast food, lunch, and these are the tags we have along with the count. So now we are able to get the data successfully. So let's add the tag snippet. So here I have the tag snippet, just a simple HTML. Just copy this one and paste it here. Okay, what is there here? Just we are checking if the tags are present. Ngif tags, and we are looping the tags with the this one. Okay, let's see. And what we are displaying, tag name and tag dot count, and we have some CSS. Just copy this one and paste it inside the CSS file. Okay, now let's go to the browser. So what we are getting, refresh the page. Okay, seems like we are getting some issue. Let's go to the HTML. Okay, here we'll be removing this active class. We'll add this one in the later. Let's go to the terminal, see everything is compiled or not. See, server is running successfully, and this one is also looks fine. Yeah, we are able to get the tags. See here you can see the list of tags, all, fast food, lunch, and food. So when you click on this lunch, any tag name, so it is getting appended to the URL. Okay, now let's see. The thing is, the tag is appending to the URL, but the items are not filtering. So because of we have not added the condition for the home.component.html. Let's go there. Here you can see we are only searching with the search term and the getting all the food items. Let's add the search for the tag filter as well. Let's do that. Now let's add the logic for the tags. Okay, let's add else if, and what will look for parameter of tag. So let's copy this one, paste it here, look for the parameters of tag. So here what we'll be doing is add one more thing, one more block, and add it to the else. Okay, now what we'll be doing, we'll have to pass the tag. So let's copy the same and pass the tag and change the URL to this one, get food by tag name. So let's add the same method in the food service.ts file. From here and add it. see what we are getting. Tag. So we'll be passing here as the tag name. So in the same way, we can able to get food items by using tag name. So it will be a string. Okay, now return this dot http dot get, and which is a type of food. We'll be getting food array, and let's add this one to the observable as a return type. And let's add the URL. So what is the URL? urls.ts get tags by. Did we add that one? Yeah, here it is. Let's copy this one and paste it here. So, and we need to append the tag name. So by using the tag name, we can able to get the food items. Let's append the URL tag. Okay. Now save all the files and go to the browser and see. Let's go to the, okay, here it is the tag endpoint. We can use what we are passing here. Food slash tag slash fry is the tag name. So we are getting the results. So let's see, and let's click on fry. We are not getting anything. Let's go to the console and see is there any error. Let's try one more time. I'm clicking on fry. See, it is getting us 404, and you can see slash is missing here. Okay, now go to the code and add the slash here. Foods, add slash. Now try again. See, we got the items by tag name. So let's click on hamburger and go to the thing, fast food. How many we got? Fast food, we got 4 items. And if I click on all, it should display all the items. Let's see why it is not displaying all the items. So here we are, what we have done, let's go to foodservice.ts. So we have to look for this tag name, right? So if it is all, tag name equal to all, then we have to call the get all method. Let's add this one here. Tag equal to all. So if it is all, then we can call this method, get all method. Otherwise it will be the tag name. Now let's go to the browser again and see all. So by using all, if you observe the URL, there is a all. So that is why we are getting all the items from the database. Let's click on fast food. Seems like it's not working again. Lunch. So the items are not filtering. Let's see what happened. So let's go here, fast food. go to the response. See, we got the 6 items. Fry, we got the 1 item. Hamburger. So this seems like not working. Let's see what is the reason. Seems like the issue is inside this home component.ts. So what we are doing here, we are subscribing inside the activated route params. Okay, so let's move this subscription method inside this activated route. So it has to call whenever there is a change in the parameters in the route. So let's see, got compiled successfully and it is working fine now. See, hamburger, soup, and all. So we have successfully created the tags by foods URL. Okay, now it is working as expected. Now we can do one more thing here. So whenever we click on this particular tag, it has to be in different color. Just we can make it active. So let's do that by using adding active class. Okay, here what we can do. So here we can add active class. So here I'm adding condition class dot active. So we can give any method. Let's give active tag. Let's pass tag name here. Where I'm doing this one, not here, right? So here where we have to do inside the tags component.html. So here you can mention the active tag. So let's give class active equal to active tag. So I'm just giving this name, I'm passing this tag. Okay, so let's take this method here, active tag, which is a type of tag colon, let's import tag. So now what we can do, we can search for this particular tag name inside the URL. This, let's see what is this error. Let's save all the files. Okay, now it got compiled successfully, and we have to look for this tag name inside that current URL so that we can make it active. So for that one we have to import router, private router, which is a type of router. It will automatically import the router from the Angular. So router, return this dot router dot URL includes tag dot name. See what we are doing, just we are adding the active class by using the current URL. See, let's see, when you click on this lunch, as it is present inside the current URL, it is making an active class and the CSS is applied to that one. So we have successfully created this one as well. Now let's add the cart component in the next session. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see in the next session.